Hi loves! Welcome back to Fun Fashion YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to make this fluffy double bubble flared dress step by step. We already have about 2 of this style on the channel, but some requested for this double bubble effect and I listened. This dress is very stylish. It is that kind of dress that makes you look younger and chic, and it is beginner friendly. Please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel and drop me a nice comment. Now let's dive into the tutorial. This is a short overview on how I put this dress together. In this video, I won't be going into much details, but the detailed tutorial is available on my members only playlist. If you watch this video till the end and you are not able to understand how I made the dress, then you can join my membership so that you can watch the detailed tutorial. To join my members only playlist, all you have to do is to search Fun Fashion. Once you're already on the channel, then you go to the description box and click on more. Then you will see the option for join my channel membership. Click on that link, okay? Then click on join, add your card details, and voila, you will have access to all the videos on the members only playlist, okay? I'll be uploading special videos monthly for only my members, okay? So join the membership now, so you will always have access to all my premium content because you'll be my premium member. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Now you can go ahead and enjoy the overview of this tutorial.